It was a gut-wrenching moment in the business. We were new and the equipment was failing, and we were seeing that happen on a regular basis. And so Jose and I had to make a decision. We're either gonna sink or swim, because at that point it was just me and Jose as a team of two. We closed down the shop and bought 2 tickets to Kansas City, and we went to an independent shop owner convention. Well, of course, as we're walking through, oh my gosh, Hunter and their display, like they had it all out. And we looked over as the crowd was walking towards that display, and we were like, no, oh my gosh, it was like 30 seconds. And we just turned around the other way. And we were like, we'll never get there. And for 3 years later, to have the equipment that we walked away in that convention, the hardest moment in our business, in that moment, we didn't know that 3 years later, my entire shop would have all of the equipment that was being demonstrated, and the oohs and the ahs that we kept hearing is now equipment that's on my floor.
Technology allows us to service vehicles that we normally would be saying, no, go to the dealer, or hey, I'm sorry, we can't reprogram, or if either it's too new. The one great thing about working with Hunter is they have done their research, their reliability, and we can deliver an honest service. That's why we decided to team up with Hunter. What the customer's feeling from us is the transparency of knowing that their vehicle got serviced, right? With a lot of this equipment, you have a snapshot of when the vehicle came in, and then you have a snapshot when the vehicle is done. And it's a simple click of the button, it prints out, and you can give that report to the customer. And then that will create transparency, and that also makes them feel more comfortable. They actually have proof of the service that was done.
We talked to a lot of people. We tested the market, and one of the things that Hunter has done very well is that the people that we have had relationships with, they hear you, and you can see the investment in them to fix whatever that is.
Well, my experience with other vendors are, you get a 1-800 number, you call them, they pass you down to either a sales guy or a rep of some sort, and he doesn't know how to answer it down. So you're dealing with anywhere between 3 to 5 people.
So our relationship really started with Roland. My experience with Roland, it was never sales-based. We were dealing with some very faulty equipment issues. So Roland really understood the urgency. At the same time though, he didn't allow us to make a fleeting decision of like, yeah, just get equipment in so we can move on. It was intentional, it was presented based on what we'll need. When you're signing a check as big as we did, to maybe a bigger business is not a big deal, but to us, that's our bread and butter that we're taking away from. And so to have someone who is genuinely like, I know what you're about to do, and you're not gonna make the wrong decision because I'm gonna make sure that you've got, like, that's a huge deal.
Our relationship with the Hunter engineering team has been fantastic, to be honest with you. They became more like family to me. If I have a problem or I have a scenario, I call Brad. He takes care of it right away, if not within a couple hours. Our relationship with Roland, I call him on his cell phone, hey Roland, I'm thinking about this, no problem. It's on point, 100% satisfaction.
What I really appreciate about our conversation with Hunter, with Roland, was it wasn't about selling us equipment, it was ensuring that we were ready. It's very valuable because it makes you evaluate your own business systems, and are you ready as a team and as a shop to bring that investment, not just in money, training, the sales process, that's all got to be ready, and Hunter looks for that to make sure that you're ready for it.